I'm still not sure how I feel about these, man. Hit the B-roll. So I got the Yeezy 450 Sulfurs from my good friends at Sneakers and Stuff, aka S&S. I like going in-store shopping there because you get this nice cool bag, man. So I like that. Yeah, so when these first came out, not this colorway, just the 450s in general, I said to myself, I love Kanye West, but I'm not wearing these, man. I'm not. But if you could understand when these came out, right after Balenciaga gave us the sock shoe looking sneaker, all those top brands, Balenciaga, Versace, they all gave us the sock looking sneaker shoe. And Kanye got to get his props there. He was first to that, man. Definitely first. I don't know if it's the color making me change my mind, thinking that these sneakers is all right. But I seen the black ones on a lot of people's feet, and every time I saw the black ones, they look decent, man. We got the Sulfur ones here. We're going to get into an in-depth review on these right now. Unboxing time. So it comes in the smallest sneaker box ever. This is the smallest sneaker box I ever seen in my life. The slides, let me think. I gotta go find my slides. But I don't even think the slides came in a small box like this. I can't really remember. Now comment section below. Let me know if the slides come in a skinny small box like this. But I don't think so, man. Yeah, I really don't. I can't remember. It's been a while. But yeah, small. This is not a rectangle. What this is? No, it is. It is a rectangle. Yeah, rectangle box. 450 there. Adidas there. And the Yeezy made by Adidas there. And here go the size here. When you pull the box open, you got a sticker there. That sticker reads, made in Germany. And that's kind of a first for clothes. You don't really get the made in Germany a lot when it comes to clothing or sneakers. Open that up. And we're going to start with the left shoe. So I'm going to do a 360 view of the sneaker before I say anything. Yes, sir. So when I think of sulfur, the first thing that comes to my mind is like gas. You know, gas has sulfur in it. I never really Googled the color of sulfur, but Kanye and Adidas been like on brand with their names for they sneakers. So I'm gonna go with this color as being some kind of sulfur. So the whole top of the sneaker is a thick sock if you will have it. It's just like a thick netting sock. Think of like long john material, you know, the pajama material. But it's thick, so it's not flimsy and loose. The bottom is just like a claw. A big foam-posite material claw. Like, you know, the claws when you're trying to grab something out of the game and win a prize. The claw is what holds all the sock together. And that's from the back to the front to the mid. Adidas is like happen to be the only shoe brand still doing this, but you got your tags on the shoestrings. I mean, I'm not mad at it. Another thing I noticed about these 450 Sulfurs is how long the shoestrings are, guys. And I think that's from you really not having to really lace these, because this part here looks like a waist part on the sweatpants. Is just going to connect to your body. So I don't know if the shoestrings are really needed, But the shoestrings is the same color as the sneaker and the Sulfur. Yeah, so I gotta kind of give Kobe like the recognition for the prime knit material in sneakers. Even though right now though the industry prime knit is like totally different, and I love what Kanye West is doing with it now. I kind of just wish that with this sneaker, I want to see like the prime knit a different color than the base to kind of really tell how dope this sneaker could be. My highlight of the sneaker has to be the bottom. This Dizzy design bottom is so dope, guys. So dope. So, I mean, priced at $200 retail, I feel like the sneaker could be a little cheaper. Maybe like $150, but it is Adidas, it's Kanye. You know what I mean? But priced at $200, man, not a bad sneaker. I'm happy, like I told y'all on my last, if you haven't checked out my Adidas restock video, my Yeezy restock video, I'm happy with some Yeezys restock. A la these, because it gives a person like me a second chance to cop this sneaker that passed on it at first because the design just was out of this world. So I'm kind of happy with most restocks. I just don't like the wave runners being restocked and you know our highlight Yeezys. Change the colorways, but don't restock the the greats, man. That's just my opinion, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Let me know if y'all got these, man, and what colorway, man, and how y'all rocking these. I'm a 10.5, and I brought the sneaker 10.5 true to size. I tried it on. It fits like a glove. It fits perfect. So I would say go true to size, but if you like more wiggle room, maybe go up half a size on this sneaker. I see a lot of people with the black pair, but I rarely see a lot of people with the Sulfur colorway. So let me know if you got that Sulfur colorway in your collection, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.